Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bree'Ah, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire, we give you fun, inspiration, we're real, and we're educational.
That's right, big ups guys.
So, today we have...
in the building.
Today we have a guest appearance from Bree'Ah herself. Yeah, B for Bree'Ah. And she's going to be doing my makeup today.
Yeah, I'm sure you saw me on my birthday and you saw me opening the presents and stuff. And yeah, those kind of stuff.
All right, so she's going to be doing my makeup. And so I'm going to hand things over to MUA B for Bree'Ah. Go ahead.
And guys, also, my mom was very excited. So guys, first we're gonna do the foundation.
So she has her little table over there with the makeup.
Should I
So,
put much or little?
well, depends on how much you want. Want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, so she wants me to help her to pour out the foundation because I don't want her to pour out like the whole thing.
Yeah, because you're gonna use it to go somewhere.
All right, let me put back my hair.
What?
Go ahead.
Dude. You see that cut right there? My mom hurt herself when she was a little child. One of her friends kicked her with a ball by accident, but they said sorry. I took.
So you finished putting on the foundation?
Yes, I put it all the way, but I need to dab some more on this other side. I need this foundation on your nose. Good. So I'm finished with foundation. You look, how you like?
Yes.
I did it.
Okay.
I'm good at this. So guys, now do you see this? So guys, now we are going to close the foundation, and then we're gonna put on the eyeshadow. And guys, here is the brush. You can see it, guys. Here's the palette. Can you see it? And guys, we are going to be using this color because it looks like a mermaid. Doesn't it, Mom? Tell them what I'm doing now.
Okay, so she asked me to tell you what she's doing. She's actually applying the eyeshadow to the brush. Well, dipping the brush into the eyeshadow. And then she's going to be doing her thing.
Guys, don't even know how to do makeup, because if you're a woman, you do it. next, we are going to be using this color. So now, guys, we're gonna be using a little bit more of glitter from Mom's face. So we're gonna be adding this. Can you see it, guys? We're gonna add this color right here, and we're gonna add this color. And for a last bit more glitter, we're going to use the one with punch. Punch, can you see it? Punch. We're going to be using punch for a bit more glitter to add some sparkle to her eyes. Look at it. You look good, right? Don't you, right, Mom? Okay, let me put this back. Ooh, guys, eyebrows next. So guys, next we're gonna be combing my mom's eyebrows before we fill it in. Guys, follow us on Instagram. Yeah. So guys, next we're gonna fill it in. This might be a bit tricky for kids. Like that? That's how you do it? We're filling it in now, guys. Like you color my mom's eyebrows. No, we're not doing that. We're just filling in her eyebrows. Guys, do you know what filling in eyebrows means? That means you put more texture to their eyebrows, like to make it look like how it was real, right? The mom look at it.
Okay. Okay.
I'm doing good, right?
Yes, you are.
Can you show Dad?
Well, hello.
Fairy godmother. Next, we're gonna be doing lipstick. So here's the lipstick. It's red. It's like bright red lipstick. Look at it. Look at it. Well, hello. I'm the fairy godmother of the Tooth Fairy.
Okay. All right.
You like it?
I do.
Guys, I'm brushing off the extra and then I'm going to be putting on blush. Now we're going to do... See it.
The finishing powder and then blush.
Dun 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 dun! Finishing powder! Oh!
Oh my goodness. you have to brush it off. Go ahead.
Gosh.
Oh my goodness. Go ahead. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm doing so good at this. I'm an expert at this.
That's okay. It's okay. it's okay.
Now we're gonna be doing
Blush.
So guys, this is the final look of my mom's makeup. What do you think?
Thank you. The brows are looking exquisite. Thank you. I love the lips. Yes, I love the lips. Nice and bright. I love the eyeshadow. It's giving me, you know, like
glitter powers?
yes, like glitter powers, the fairy powers, that kind of thing. I like how the blush blends into my skin. Yes, it's giving me
And eyebrows.
oh, and that yeah, man, I spoke about the eyebrows already. Yeah, I just like the overall look. I like the overall look, guys. It's very exquisite, and to make your bookings, please feel free to DM us on Instagram at Stuff from the Cuffs, okay?
Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and also share and leave a comment at the end of this video.
All right. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. This was Bree'Ah doing my makeup for the first time. Tell me what you think in the comments. Thank you. Let me kiss. Mwah. Oh, she's not kissing me with the red lips. Okay.
Yeah. For bookings, DM me on Instagram.
All right. You heard it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.